Here is the Holmes Air 12-inch Oscillating table fan from the 80s. So this is the third out of the four fans that I've gotten for Christmas this year. I mean from Christmas of 2025. So this was a really interesting fan that I've got, along with the blue Tatung and the Vornado Variable Speed fan. This one, I was actually kind of interested of having an old vintage Holmes fan that reminds me of a Galaxy, but this Holmes fan, for like, I don't know, for some reason it looks a little similar compared to the Tatung that I have, which you will see in a minute. So this one did found off on eBay, that I put it on my Christmas list, and surprisingly I got it. And this fan looks like looks a little. You can see it has the exact same style motor cover and the exact same grills and blade style, except for the color. And also this one, unlike the Tatung, it also has the spinner as well. The badge looks like, at first I thought that was dust, but it's actually that chrome off the badge is rubbing off. So I guess that's what it is. Probably a lot of wearing off on this thing. So anyways, I'm gonna now demonstrate this here on low. There we go from there. This thing runs exactly the same. Like sounds like exactly the same like the Tatung. This one. Here's the other side. This thing also has a height tight head adjustment here thing that you can adjust this one and then just tighten it. Pretty interesting with this one. Here's the back, and here's the back. Alright, let's take a look at the under part of the fan. Oh, here's another thing about this, so this one's a model A-117, and this one was made, and this fan shows it's also made in Taiwan, made from the Holmes or something, I don't know if you can see that, Iron Works Company. So yeah, like the Tatung, this is also made in Taiwan, which I'm kind of surprised on that. Alright. Now let's take a look at the side. Now let's take a look at the side look comparison between the Tatung and this Holmes. So here they are side by side. So even though blade style is similar, except the speed buttons are different, as you can see, both of those. And they both have the exact same style grills. And they also have the exact same motor covers, as you can tell. And they also have the exact same oscillation knobs as well. As you can notice that. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool that I got two fans made from the same country that it came in. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm glad that I got both of these. Anyways, that will be it for today's video of the Holmes Air 12-inch oscillating table fan from the 1980s. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Take care, everybody.